Do you need to know where the two fuse boxes are or the diagnostics port to plug in your reader on a Kia EV6? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on the 2023 Kia EV6. This is the GT line model, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the locations of the two fuse boxes and also the location of the OBD2 diagnostics port to plug in your reader. Now this is just a prop to show you where to plug it in. I would recommend you buy a better one than this. Now to get to the first one, we're going to just open up the driver's door, or in this instance the right hand door, fully, and we're actually going to come down into the footwell, and you'll see there's this compartment just here above the pedals, and it does actually say fuse on there as well. So we're just going to go ahead and give that a pull, and just up inside there we're going to see all those little fuses. Now to find the fuse designation, you can just look on the back of the lid like that, and you can see what each of them are. Now for the OBD2 diagnostics port, you're going to look just below the fuse box, and that's my cheapy OBD2 diagnostics port plugged in. Like I say, this isn't the best. I'd recommend that you actually spend a bit more money and get a better one. Now for the last fuse box, I'm just going to open up the bonnet by pulling that lever there. Come back round to the front of the vehicle, put your hand in just below the Kia badge and push that lever there to the left. Then this obviously exposes our motor bay or engine bay by lifting up the hood or the bonnet, depending on what country you're in, and it does actually look just like a normal combustion engine area, but that's because it has this big box here which is actually your frunk. Now I've made another video talking about the low voltage battery there, so if you want to see any more about that, just check it out. But this is actually our engine bay or motor bay fuse box. So much the same, just lift off the fuse box cover and that shows you your fuse designation there. And then you can actually find all the fuses and relays here. But you can go ahead, just make sure you always put that cover back on, stop any water or anything else getting in there. And there we go, nice quick simple video for you today. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.